Another David in Rugby. David, good evening.
Hello there. I have a classic car. It's from 1977, which is the year of the Queen's Silver Jubilee. The car's very special. It's a Metropolitan police car, fully preserved, and it undertook royal protection duties throughout the Silver Jubilee. Wherever the Queen went, this particular car accompanied her. I bought it 18 months ago. It needed restoration. I had some mechanical work done. That was fine. I had the body work done and a full repaint at a cost of £7,100. The job was absolutely appalling. 3 months after that original job was completed, I had the car fully repainted again at a cost of £7,000 with a different company who did a fabulous job. The question I have is, do I have any claim against the original company that I paid £7,100 to that did an appalling job?
Well, first of all, thank you for such a clear question. You explained it very well. What did the first company do wrong? Why was it a bad paint job?
They didn't prepare the bodywork properly, and so there were several dents in the bonnet. There were dents in the rear quarter panels.
Should repainting normally include fixing dents?
Yes, it was a bare metal repaint. So a back to base repaint, and it should have any imperfections.
Okay, I'm just not familiar with that phrase or that concept because I'm as far from a petrol head as you can imagine. Would everyone in the trade understand?
Yes, without
what that means. Okay, fine. So they didn't do what they'd promised to do.
No, and when I queried them, I said to them, there's dents in the bonnet. They made excuses. They told me they were crumple zones, which they clearly weren't, because the car's since been repaired to an exceptional standard.
Okay. Did you give them the chance to repair it, or did they ask for the chance to?
They did ask for the chance to repair it. They told me they would do it in between other works, and it could take up to a year. I was a little unhappy about that. I asked them if the car was protected by their business insurance whilst it was at their premise, to which they said they didn't have any business insurance because it wasn't a legal requirement and I was leaving the vehicle there at my own risk. Because it is a unique car, it's the Queen's police car, there is only one, I wasn't happy to take the chance.
No, I understand that, David. Okay, because normally if somebody does a duff job, you generally need to give them a second chance at it, but if you've got a very good reason not to, and you do, you tick that box, you don't have to. I think you've got a very good claim here. They failed to use reasonable care and skill first time round. You paid £7,000 to get it fixed. You've got a solid claim for that £7,000. Now, I'm wondering if you paid on credit card or debit card.
No, it was I paid by back.
Okay, that's a shame, because if you had paid by debit or credit card, you'd have some protection and you might be able to get the money back from the bank. Having paid by backs, you have no legal protection via the bank, so you're going to have to sue this dealer directly. I think you're just going to have to issue a claim for £7,000 in the small claims court, David. Give them a chance to pay you money first and negotiate, but fundamentally you're going to have to sue them here. But you have a good claim.
I asked them for a goodwill contribution of $2,500 and they rejected that, with the phrase, "You've got no chance, mate."
Well, you have got a chance, mate. You've got a strong chance, mate. So go and sue them, mate.